Hello guys, I'm back. Today we will going to prepare an oatmeal overnight. We have here oatmeal, chia seeds, low-fat milk, yogurt. I preferred flavored yogurt and the fruits of your choice. For me, I like banana, strawberry, and apple. And also we have here the containers. Siyempre, kailangang secured and malinis yung containers natin. First, we're going to put the oatmeal. Kung gaano karami ang gusto nyo, it's your choice. For me, dahil medium size lang yung containers ko, kaya ayan. Kalakalahati lang siya. And then after malagyan natin lahat ng containers ng oatmeal, then we're going to put the milk. For each container, I put 3/4 cups of milk. At doon naman sa pinakamaliit, 1/2 cup lang nalagay ko. And again, it's your choice kung gaano siya karami or depende sa kung ano yung gusto mo. And then we're going to put the yogurt. For me, I preferred flavored yogurt. And still, it's low-fat naman siya, so no problem. Hinati-hati ko lang yung isang yogurt sa 3 containers kasi hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan. And then I put 1 tablespoon each container of chia seeds. Or kung gusto mong dagdagan, gusto mong marami, pwede rin naman siya. And we're going to slice the fruits of your choice. For me, it's a strawberry. And if you guys are still watching and you reach to this point of the video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And please follow for more of my vlogs. And then I also add 1 banana. And then after finish slicing, ilagay lang natin siya sa container. Pagkasya-kasyahin lang po natin siya. And here's our finished product for our overnight oatmeal. And this one, it's only strawberry kasi hindi nakasya yung banana. And we're done. Ilagay na lang natin siya sa fridge overnight. Then we can have it for the next day. Kung gusto mo ng breakfast or until dinner, pwede rin. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.